Hello class. Today we will study class 10th maths chapter 3 pair of linear equation in to two variables. Okay? So pair in a two variable we have discussed the topic algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay? So a previous video we have studied the graphical method. Okay, now here we will study algebraic method, and algebraic method has a three types by which we have solved pair of linear equation in two variable. The first is substitution method, second is elimination method, and the third is cross multiplication. So before study these methods, let us discuss why we need to study these methods. Okay, so in previous videos we have discussed about the algebraical method where we find a solution of a linear equation. Okay, so what the there is a graph. Okay, and we got the 1 2 3 4. There is a 0 -1 -2 -3 1 2 3 4 5 and x, that is x dash is equal to -1 -2 -3 -4. So 1 2 3. Okay, so these are the points of the x and a graph. Okay, so we have got 1 1 or 1 0 or 2 3. Okay, so we are joining this, we are joining it. So here you have discussed about these, but when we got a solution like this, root 2 is x and root 5 is y. Okay, these are the these types of coordinates we get. So how could you express in a graphical method? It is very difficult to represent in a graphical method. And next is, if we got 1.75 and minus 0.25, so you will draw in a graph. Okay, you will, but it is difficult we get a exact solution. Okay, so it is a approx solution you will get in a graph. Okay, so by eliminating these type of mistakes, you have to use these methods, you have to use these methods. Okay, you have to use these methods. So let's do it. So the first is substitution method. So as the name suggests, this is the first method. What we is, one by one we will discuss about this method. The first is substitution method. Substitution method. We have here substitution method. Okay, substitution method. So what is the substitution method? So substitution means you will substitute the value in a from a first equation to the second equation in terms of a single digit. Example, by example we have solved this substitution method. So let's take an example. So I am taking example is 3x plus y is equal to 6, and and x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. Okay, so now you here solution, you will solution solve it. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So you will write, so in equation 2, in equation 2, y is equal to 4 minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus x. This is equation 3. Y is equal to 4 minus x. Okay, so here y is equal to 4 minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus x. So x in terms of y, x is in terms of y. So you will substitute the value of y in equation 1. Substitute substitute value of y in equation 1, in equation 1. Substitute value of y in equation 1. Okay, substitute value of y in equation 1. So 3x plus y is equal to 6. So 3x plus 4 minus x is equal to 6. So 3x plus 4 minus x is equal to 6. Okay, so 3x minus x is 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. 2x is equal to 6 minus 4. So 2x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Okay. So now putting 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 value of x is equal to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1, so 3x plus y is equal to 6. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 6. So 3 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 3. So y is equal to 3. 3. Okay. Okay, what we have got it. So substitution method is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Okay, this is called a substitution method. It means in a equation second, y is equal to 4 minus x, y is equal to 4 minus x, you put the value of y in equation 1. Okay, you put the value of y in equation 1, where we have got x value of x and value of y. Okay, the second one is the now this one is your substitution method. Okay, you substitute the value of y from 3 to 1. Okay, you substitute it. You substitute value of y from 3 to, well, in equation 1. Okay, next, elimination method. So elimination method, you will write here elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method. Okay, elimination, what the elimination method? Okay, you will take, what is eliminate? It means I have mangoes and bananas, and I put off bananas side. Okay, I put it in a side. Okay, it means we have got mangoes. Okay, so eliminate the two terms, one variable simultaneously. One, eliminate the variable. So here x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. These are the two so now this is so easy. So I am taking little bit moderate question. So it is 2x plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, so now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Multiply by 3 in equation 2. In equation 2, multiply by 3 in equation 2. So what we have got here, so 3x minus 3y, and now here is in equation 2, and and solving equation 1 and here multiply by 2. Okay, so multiply equation 2, this is 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. This is equation 3. Okay, this is equation 3. Okay, so now solving, here I am writing here now. So here is, so now solving equation equation 1 and 3. Now solving equation 1 and 3. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. Okay, now add. So when here is a plus, here is a minus, so no sign change, so it is cut it down. So 3 plus y is 5, x is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10, x is equal to 10 upon 5, so x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, now putting value of x is equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1, as it is, which I have done in substitution method, where we have done a substitution method where we got a x is equal to 1 and x is equal to put value x is equal to 1, we have put it in equation number first. Okay, so now putting value of x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So what equation 2, okay, it's easy to solve. So in equation number 2, so x minus y is equal to 1, so x is equal to 2, minus y is equal to 1, so minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. Okay, so what we got, y is equal to minus 1, minus minus cancel out, so y is equal to 1. We have got it. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is our elimination method. Okay, so this is our substitution method and this is our elimination method. So now next is cross. Please pause this video and write down how we have done substitution method and elimination method. Now we discuss about the cross multiplication. It is little bit tricky, so it will make a space, lot of space. So now here cross multiplication, I'm rubbing it. Okay, cross multiplication method. So in cross multiplication method, so it is elimination method is a so easy method. Elimination method is a so easy. It is a most of time we use this method, that is a elimination method. In this class and our higher classes, we in a competition, we have always used the elimination method because it is so easy. Okay, you will give a minus minus, then you will change a sign and solve it. Okay, so most used method is elimination method. Now come to the cross multiplication method, because these substitution method and cross multiplication method, most of them the question in examination, there is uh, a condition that you have to solve through substitution method or cross multiplication method. So now here cross multiplication method, cross multiplication, cross multiplication method, cross multiplication method, cross multiplication method. Okay, so this is cross multiplication method. So in a standard form we take it a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. So equation number 1, this is the standard equation, equation number 1, and equation number 2 of a pair of linear equation into two variable. Okay, so this is a cross multiplication method. So we have to do it like this. Here we have a part in x. Okay, here is y and here is 1. Okay, so if here is a x part, so you will cover this x part, and what we have got, b1, b2, c1, c2. Okay, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Next, you will cover the b1 y and b2 y, and what we get, so c1 and a1 a2. Okay, so this one is a constant part, so one is a constant, so we have covered the constant part, so a1 a2 is given, so here is b1 b2. Okay, b1 b2. So x is here, so x is a coefficient, coefficient of x is a1 a2, so a1 a2 is not here, b1 b2 c1 c2. Why the coefficient of y is b, so c1 c2 and a1 a2, b is not here. 1 is a constant, so constant is c1 c1 c2, so here c1 c2 is not here, a1 a2 and b1 b2. Okay, so now cross multiplication with each other, cross multiplication. Okay, now here x upon b1 c2 is equal to, b1 c2 is equal to, not equal to, minus c1 b2 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2, b1 a2. Okay, x upon b1 c2 minus c1 b2. Okay, so now we need to find the value of x. So in a substitution method we have seen that, and elimination method where we have find x, value of x and y, so here also we find value of x and y. So for x we compare constant and x, or for y we compare y and 1. So now x upon b1 c2 minus c1 b2 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2, b1 a2. So x cross multiplication, so x, okay, so x is equal to b1 c2 minus c1 b2 is equal to a1 b2 minus b1 a2. Okay, okay, next one, y upon c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So cross multiplication, y is equal to c1, so multiply c1 a2 minus a2 c2, sorry, a1 c2 is equal to a1 b2 minus b1 a2. Okay, this one is your our y, this one is our y. Okay, we have got value of x and y by this method. Okay, so some cases also arise from the cross multiplication. So case first, the result of case first, case first. So what will the case first? If a1 upon a1, so this one, the denominator a1 b2 minus b1 a2 is not equal to 0. If the denominator is not equal to 0, so 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 a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, so a1 minus b2 minus b1 a2 not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, it means so a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, hence hence it is infinite number of solution, infinite number of solutions, infinite number of solutions, infinite number of solutions. Okay, case 2, case 2, if a1 b2 minus b1a2 is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then what we got, a1 b2 is equal to b1 a2. It means a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2. b1 b2. Okay, so let let a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2 is equal to k. It is equal to k. So this implies that a1 is equal to a2k and b1 is equal to b2k. This is we have a result. b1 is equal to b2k. Okay, so now put the value of a1 and a1 b1 in equation 1. Now putting putting value of a1 and b1 in equation 1. In equation 1, so a1x plus b1y plus c1, it means a1 is a2kx plus b2ky plus c1 is equal to 0. c1 is equal to 0. So here is we are a2x plus b2y plus c1 is equal to 0. Plus c1 is equal to 0. c1 is equal to 0. Okay, so now so this is equation 3. Okay, equation 3 equation 3 and equation 2 satisfy only only if only if c1 is equal to c2k. c2k, here why it is compare it, k a2x plus b2y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 a1 a1x plus b1y plus, so here it is here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. When you compare it, so a2 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 a2, so here is a a2, so a2 a2 cancel, this is a x. Okay, so here is a k1 c2 is equal to k1x. Okay, k1x. So it means, so k is equal to c1 upon c2, c1 upon c2. This is comparing what we called it is a, and this is equation from equation a and b, from equation a and b, from equation a and b, what you wanna have observed that a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2 is equal to c1 c2 is equal to k, and we have already studied in a introduction part 2 and a chart, when a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2 is equal to c1 c2, then infinite infinite number of solutions, the infinite number of solution, then there is infinite number of solution, then there is infinite number of solutions. Okay, then there is an infinite number of solution. So And the two condition arises in the cross multiplication method. Case first said that if the denominator is not equal to 0, it means a1 a2 b1 a1 b2 minus b1 a2 is not equal to 0, then it is a unique solution, and if it is 0, then it is infinite number of solution. Okay, so in next video we will do exercise 3.3, okay, which is based on substitution method. Exercise 3.4 based on elimination method, and exercise 3.5 is based on cross multiplication method. Okay, please pause this video and go through the each step which help in your examination also. Okay, so thank you. Any query you have, comment in the comment box, and please like, subscribe my videos, which help me to do better in videos. Okay, thank you.